Angie, as a realtor, what do I need to do to prepare to sell a property that's owned by someone who's deceased?
I like this question because there are a lot of things that you can do to make sure that this process goes smoothly for your clients. Typically, what the situation is that, the kids are, their parents have passed away and the kids are wanting to sell the real estate. And so the first thing that you can probably do is find out from the kids whether or not mom or dad, the last one to pass away, had a will. If they had a will, if you can get a copy of that, that's going to get you ready to go. That's going to put you on the right foot, because within that will, if you send it over to me, it's going to tell me immediately whether or not that child or that sibling or spouse or whoever is the personal representative named in the will has the authority to sell that real estate. Now you'll notice I said ask if they have a will. The question becomes, what if they don't? Okay, if they do not have a will, then the asset, the house, has to go through the probate process. That means that one of the kids or spouse or sibling has to be appointed the personal representative of the estate. Once they're appointed, then if they didn't have a will, then we have to ask the court to allow them to sell that real estate. And so that can be sort of a lengthy process, at least maybe a month or two. It depends on the situation and the circumstances. But we definitely want to get that started, preferably, before you even list the property. We want to make sure that they have the power to sell before we have a contract on our table waiting for their signature, right? And so if you have a client and they say, no, mom or dad did not have a will, first thing to do, get them in contact with us. Let us take care of getting them appointed and getting them the power to sell that real estate for you. I can usually do it quickly as long as everybody's on the same page.